Have you ever wondered what will make the difference in this unprecedented crisis that is starting now? Have you ever wondered, as an entrepreneur, what is that you can do in order to join the online space and be successful on that space? Have you ever wondered why Gary Vee or John Lee or Shemlin or all these successful people that are operating into the online space are successful? Are you afraid of spending so much time on social media and still not getting anything out of it? My name is Raluca Gomes. I'm the founder of IMN Paris, a premium business club for entrepreneurs that are operating here in France and all over the world. We are here to help you as an entrepreneur to grow your life and grow your business. Every single Tuesday of the month, we are doing what we are calling a mastermind or a workshop. Once a month we have a specific theme, and this month's theme is about social media. We already had our mastermind last Tuesday, and guess what? For the next 3 weeks, every single Tuesday in the evening, 8 o'clock Paris time, what we'll be doing is we'll taking your own business and help you directly how to get online. Now, I hear so much of that. Most entrepreneurs are telling me, you know what, I'm not good at this. I'm just spending too much time on social media and I don't get results. Well, it's important to understand what is your profile on social media. Are you a follower? Are you an expert? Are you an influencer? Or are you a business influencer? As well as how do you show up on your social media? What kind of powers do you use? What kind of drive are you building? And again, are you working on your business and then sharing it on social media, or are you just, consumed by social media? Most of us, we are. 90% of the people on online spaces are just consuming information and data or whatever other people are posting. As an entrepreneur, you don't need to be the next Gary Vee or the next John Lee. What you need to know is the enough business acumen for you to be successful on that online space. For now, you may wonder, okay, I come to an event, I see how these are working, but how am I doing for my own business? This is exactly why we are transforming every Tuesday. We are taking specific example of your own business and show you how to do it for yourself and for your clients. All you have to do is to join us. We'll have the link below, and like always, share it, spread it, talk with some people, entrepreneurs around you who may need this kind of information. This is not something that you find on the online space because people are not dedicating time to help your business. They are sharing overall information or ways to do, and then you are led by yourself to actually do it, to implement it. And we all know the implementation phase is what is the most difficult phase for any entrepreneur. So why not joining us? See for yourself, see what you can do for your own business, and then every single week we come back and you tell us how it's working and we adjust. We are here to keep you accountable and make sure your action plan is working. Join us at IMN Paris. Enjoy.